Gentlemen, let me start with a simple but important question. What if I told you there is a specific area in your pelvic region, no bigger than a coin, that directly affects blood flow, nerve sensitivity, bladder control, and overall male function after the age of 50? And what if massaging this area for just 60 seconds a day could help improve circulation, reduce pelvic tension, and support healthy performance that many men feel they've gradually lost over the years? It may sound unusual, it may sound too simple, but thousands of men have benefited from this technique, and modern urology now supports why it works. So, stay with me because in this video I'm going to show you where this point is located, why it becomes tight with age, how tension in this area affects circulation and nerve function, the science behind targeted massage, the 6 mistakes men over 50 commonly make, and exactly how to use this technique safely and effectively. Before we begin, do me a small favor. If you care about maintaining your health, mobility, and confidence as you age, please like this video. Comment below where you're watching from. I truly enjoy seeing men from around the world taking charge of their well-being. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss helpful information about men's health and vitality. Now, let's get into the medical truth behind this overlooked pelvic area. Why this spot matters. The medical explanation. Most men believe that the changes they experience after turning 50 are simply part of aging. Slower blood flow, reduced stamina, lower energy, weaker pelvic support, decreased firmness or sensitivity. But aging alone is not the biggest cause. The real issue is chronic pelvic tension, coupled with reduced microcirculation. How pelvic tension develops over time. Across decades of sitting for long hours, stress, lack of stretching, reduced movement, lower back stiffness, holding urine for too long. Poor posture. The pelvic muscles gradually become tight and less flexible. Think of these muscles as a hammock that supports the bladder, prostate, and the vessels and nerves that supply the male reproductive system. When this hammock becomes stiff, several things happen. Blood vessels lose their ability to expand properly. Nerves become less responsive. Pressure builds within the pelvic floor. Tissue oxygenation declines. Sensitivity reduces. Circulation slows down. This is why many men feel weakness, delayed response, reduced control, dullness, pelvic heaviness, discomfort while sitting. And all of this is connected to one small area most men never pay attention to. The perineum is the central point between the scrotum and the anus. This region contains key blood vessels, nerve branches, lymphatic channels, pelvic floor connective tissue. So when this area becomes tense, circulation decreases. And when circulation decreases, performance naturally declines. The million-dollar point. Why it works. For centuries, many traditional medicine systems have believed that massaging the perineal region improves circulation and reduces pelvic congestion. Today, medical imaging and pelvic floor research support this. Here's what modern studies show. Perineal stimulation can relax tight pelvic floor muscles. It improves blood flow to the pelvic arteries. It enhances lymphatic drainage. It reduces pressure on the pudendal nerve. It supports prostate health by decreasing stagnation. It may improve bladder control. It can reduce discomfort caused by prolonged sitting. This is not magic. It's simple anatomy. By releasing tension in this one central point, you create a chain reaction that supports better circulation, better nerve function, better oxygenation, better control, better pelvic mobility. This is the core purpose of perineal massage, medically known as perineal myofascial release. The 3 big mistakes men over 50 make. Mistake number 3, ignoring pelvic tension. Most men never consider their pelvic floor until something goes wrong, but tension here works silently, slowly reducing function year after year. Common habits that cause chronic tension include long-term office work, driving for hours, stressful lifestyles, clenching muscles unconsciously, lack of flexibility exercises. Perineal massage helps release this hidden tension, restoring mobility to the pelvic tissues. Mistake number 2. Relying only on medication. Medications can help temporarily by increasing circulation for a short time. However, they don't repair stiff blood vessels. They don't restore nerve sensitivity. They don't reduce pelvic tension. They don't improve muscle function. They don't enhance long-term health. Think of medication as a temporary push, but perineal massage helps improve the foundation, the actual structure that controls circulation. Mistake number 1. Believing decline is permanent. This is the most damaging misconception. I regularly treat men in their 60s, 70s, and even 80s who have regained remarkable improvements simply by addressing circulation and pelvic tension. When we restore blood flow, nerve function often improves naturally. You are not too old. The body responds when you support it correctly. How to perform perineal massage. Safe, medical guidelines. Here is the safe, doctor-approved way to practice this technique. Step 1. Locate the area. The perineum is the soft region between the scrotum and the anus. In the center, you will feel slightly softer tissue. This is the precise point we are targeting. Step 2. Choose a comfortable position. Recommended positions include sitting on the edge of a bed, lying on your back with knees slightly bent. Use a pillow for support if needed. Comfort is important. The technique should not feel strained. Step 3. Apply light to medium pressure. You may use index finger, middle finger, or both together. Use the amount of pressure you would apply when pressing on a ripe fruit. Firm, but not painful. The goal is gentle compression of the underlying tissue. Step 4. 60 seconds of slow movement. You may choose one of the following methods: small circular motions, slow pressing and releasing, gentle upward and downward strokes. Keep your breathing relaxed throughout the process. Step 5. Optional use of oils. Certain natural oils can support tissue relaxation. Castor oil supports circulation and reduces stiffness. Coconut oil, gentle and soothing. Black seed oil, traditionally recognized for male vitality. Warm the oil slightly in your hands before applying. Step 6. Timing and frequency. For best results, perform once daily. Morning or evening is ideal. Consistency is far more important than intensity. 1 minute daily is sufficient for long-term benefits. Benefits. Men commonly report. While results vary between individuals, many men experiencing pelvic tension, mild discomfort, or circulation issues report improvements in pelvic mobility, blood flow, muscle relaxation, nerve response, comfort while sitting, bladder control, general pelvic awareness, sense of confidence and well-being. This technique is not a miracle cure, but it is a powerful tool for supporting normal pelvic function. One of my patients, a 62-year-old man, came to me with concerns about pelvic tightness, slowed circulation, and decreased confidence. He believed he was too old for improvement. After 3 weeks of consistent perineal massage, combined with light stretching, he reported less pelvic heaviness, improved comfort during daily activities, enhanced bladder control, reduced hip stiffness, overall better circulation. Small habits create large results over time. Gentlemen, your pelvic health plays a significant role in your overall well-being, especially after the age of 50. This simple 1-minute routine can support healthy circulation, reduce chronic pelvic tension, promote nerve responsiveness, improve comfort, enhance your quality of life, strengthen your confidence. If this information helped you, please like the video, subscribe for more medical guidance focused on men's health, and comment below, what small habit are you planning to start this week? This is Dr. Luna reminding you, you are not losing strength, you are gaining knowledge. With the right habits, your body can support you for decades to come.